choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo, choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo.
Alrighty, so today, Mom and Dad purchased us
2 awesome controllers
for our iPads.
Yeah.
So that we can
got my Swiss on.
play Minecraft and
Other games, racing games, stuff like that. Make things a lot easier. Especially for the iPad Pro. Could you imagine handling this big screen? Come on, hurry up. I want to use mine.
so this is what it looks like in the packaging. Comes with the manual. But for now, let's see. Let's see if it runs on batteries or what.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I don't see anywhere where you can put the batteries.
So one LED.
Let's see.
10, 14. 10 is fold switch.
What does this do?
The lightning connector. So that's how you charge it. You put the lightning connector in. If you use like an iPad charger.
Oh, I didn't see that. That makes sense. What does this do? Right here. This button. This probably is the
Turns
turn
it on.
Yeah, it turns it on. Let's test it on the iPad Pro. Oh, look at this. This controller is perfect size. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Let me look at these instructions. This button right here, 14. Bluetooth button? Wait. I'm not.
Oh, so there's an app with
So
it.
this is a Bluetooth button.
There's an app with it to install.
There's an app. Oh, these buttons kind of feel a little weird, but I think I could get adjusted to this. What does this controller look like, Jess? What does it remind you of? Right here kind of reminds me of, dang, I just forgot. I just lost my train of thought. Lost my train of thought. Ooh! Is this an app? So you need an app to use this on your device.
Okay, so let's see how it works.
You know, I like my controller a little bit heavy. I don't like it too light. When it's light, it feels cheap. Oh, you're using it. Okay. Oh, it's not like the Xbox. You could just press this down.
Yeah, these don't go down. Oh, so B brings me down.
Oh yeah, this is perfect for Minecraft on the iPads. Dad, 1 sec.
All right.
Oh yeah, Jess has to be an election judge, so I guess we have to turn it off right here, or don't want parents to get mad.